Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I do my brows every day and get them on fleek occasionally. Eyebrows are a very important feature of your face and can totally change the way you look. Nicely made and groomed brows can enhance your face, while shabby and sparse brows can bring down your face even if everything else is on point. I do not wear makeup every day, but I still make sure that my brows are done. It makes hell of a difference. And trust me, once you start doing your brows, you can't go back. You would not like your face without them done. My eyebrow routine is very easy and simple to do, hence very beginner friendly. And without delaying any further, let's get started.
So this is how my natural brows look. So I have a lot of empty spaces and sparse hair towards the end, and I would never ever want to go out like this. For today's video, I would be using L'Oreal Brow Artist Genius Kit. I'm in the shade 01 Medium. This contains a brow powder and a wax, and comes with a small applicator which has an angled brush at one end and a spoolie at another. It is not necessary for you to have this product. You can use any matte brown eyeshadow, it would work the same way. And you can use a flat or an angled brush to shape and fill in your brows. I'm using the small applicator brush and brushing my eyebrows in the natural shape. Now I'm starting by brushing my eyebrows hair downwards, drawing a straight line in small strokes and bring it down along the curve. This would be my outline, so I would know that I have to fill within this, and filling in all the sparse spaces. Now I'm drawing a thin line on the bottom and using upward strokes to fill in my brow, just in the direction of my natural hair. Using the spoolie end, I'm brushing through my eyebrows thoroughly, also making sure that the brow powder is blended evenly. There are still some blank sparse areas left in the bottom line, so I'm just quickly filling them up, brushing and shaping my brows for the final touch. And this is exactly how I do my eyebrows daily. You clearly see the difference between the two brows, and it totally changes the way my face looks. It's really this simple. It gives my brows a very natural effect, and they do not look over the top, which I prefer for my everyday look. I just love how it totally changes and transforms my face. Now for making my brows look absolutely perfect, I'm taking some concealer on the back of my hand and taking a flat brush with round edges like this, and I'm gonna apply the concealer on the edges of my brows to give them a clean and neat look. Take your time and clean the edges, defining your eyebrows in the shape that you prefer. I'm just following the natural shape of my eyebrows. Doing the same thing on the bottom line as well, drawing a thin clear line and defining the shape. Do make sure that you're using a concealer shade which is very near to your natural skin tone, so it would be easier to blend and would not look awkward. I'm using my ring finger and blending out the concealer. The warmth of my finger ensures that the concealer is blended out perfectly. I'm just blending out the edges as I do not want to go very near my brows, and it blends in seamlessly. Doing the same for the bottom part as well, and I'm using the same brush to blend in the thin line at the starting. Just get rid of any product that's on the brush and use it to blend in, and it works very well. This brow definitely looks more defined and sharp as compared to the other one. I go for this type of brows usually when I'm clicking my pictures for Instagram or doing makeup tutorials, or any special occasion where I want my eyebrows to be defined to perfection, as it makes the entire look very sharp and crisp. And yeah, they're done.
So that was my brow routine. Wasn't it super easy to do? I hope you guys try it too, and let me know if you like my routine, and hit the thumbs up, share this with your friends and help them out, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next week.